Good afternoon, head teacher.
Good afternoon, sir.
Would you please tell me your name?
Thank you very much. Welcome. My name is Joash Ochieng.
Joash Ochieng. Thank you very much. And you're headmaster of this school?
Yes, of course.
And what is its name?
The name of the school is Manyuanda Comprehensive School.
Thank you. And it's what was a primary and it's now added on and got a little bit more going on in the school.
Yeah, because we have the junior school.
You've got the junior school then?
Yes.
Would you tell us a bit about the school? You got water here thanks to the supporters of Wellboring in 2021, and you arrived here as a head teacher just after that. Would you tell me how the school has changed in terms of pupils and numbers?
Thank you very much. First and foremost, I want to thank you so much for installing to the school and the school community water. That water is good, water is clean and healthy for the learners. I want to say that since 2021, when this water was installed, I've seen and witnessed remarkable improvement. Number one, in terms of learner population, the year 2021, the enrollment was 487.
487, so just beneath our basic number of 500, so it's
Yes.
squeezed in.
Thank you. Now, since then to date, the enrollment is 800.
800 from
And this is
497.
487
Yeah.
to 800.
Yeah.
This is a remarkable improvement. And so the Minister of Education, the community at large is very happy with the school development.
So you said there are several things. So first, the school population's gone up in a really big way.
So much.
And Joash, what's happened to attendance versus non-attendance at the school in this time?
Thank you very much, sir. I want to say that since the borehole was instituted in the school, the attendance, learner attendance, is so good because these learners come to school regularly because they are not being taken out by their parents to look for water.
Right.
Meaning that absenteeism has reduced.
Right.
Number two, it has reduced child labor.
Oh, tell me more about that.
Child labor simply refers to learners are left at home to work, yet they are not supposed to work in place of parents.
Okay.
So if parents are supposed to look for water,
right,
yet they now make these learners to go look for water as they also go look for food elsewhere.
And so that's the problem back in 2021, when you haven't got the borehole.
Correct.
They're going to look for water wherever they can find it. And now?
As at now,
yeah,
since water is within the school compound, it is also within the reach of the community.
Yes.
The same water is being used by the community.
Yeah.
And so the community at large is access to clean, healthy water.
So they're not sending the children out to find water from far away?
Definitely, yes.
So the child labour problem is gone?
The child labour is gone.
That's fantastic.
Absenteeism is equally gone.
Absenteeism, which is non-attendance, it's gone.
And I want to repeat the same, that even the Minister of Education is much happy with that.
Well, that's glad to hear that. And what's happened to the performance of the children in the school, the overall school results? What's your sense of that, Josh?
Fantastic.
Okay.
I want to say, and it is so good, you know, water is health. Water is health. Academic performance goes with health. When a child is not healthy, performance goes down.
Of course.
And by this, I want to say that as learners absent themselves to look for water, they don't learn so much. The syllabus, they don't cover so much. And in that case, it means that the performance reduces. Now, since water was installed, that these learners are now retained. There is high retention of learners in the school.
Well, retention, what is that? Staying in the school,
Staying
not
in
leaving
the
school,
Staying
not
in the school.
disenrolling.
Yeah, they are
Right.
now not leaving the school.
And girls especially are able to stay in the school,
In
right?
the school, they are able to be contained in the school at school hours, and they learn so well. And by this, these learners are able to have the real concepts that teachers give them, and so learning and academic performance improve.
So let me see, to get this overall, what you've had since the water came in 2021, Joash, and you arrived, is you've seen a big increase in the number of children in the school, coming to the school, and then a big increase in attendance, absenteeism almost now disappearing.
Definitely, yes.
And better child health, the disappearance of child labour, and better academic results.
Excellent. There is also something here that I want to put down. Under health, we normally capture statistics in terms of health.
Yep.
How is learner exposed to waterborne diseases? And so, with clean water, the learner is not exposed so much to waterborne diseases.
Of course.
Because water is clean, it is also chlorinated, we have it so good, well kept, and so the learner enjoy. This brings about conducive, learning, friendly environment to the learner.
Well, this is tremendous, Joash. Thank you so much for updating us on the progress of this school since the water arrived. Really appreciate it.
Thank you very much. And there is also something I want to say.
Okay.
That the community at large is also appreciating the same. And so they welcome you to this community so much. And thank you so much. Because even they themselves, they find it so easy to have access to clean, healthy water. Even they themselves are nowadays not exposed to waterborne diseases. And so there is improved health and academic performance in the school and in the community at large.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Joash
Thank you very much.
Ochieng.
Ochieng, yes.
Goodbye for now.